In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a measurement price calculator to a Woocommerce product, and it only takes about 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to enhance their online store's functionality, allowing customers to calculate pricing based on measurements like area, volume, or even length. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If this is your first time, don't worry. It's the main hub where you'll manage your site, themes, and plugins. Once you're there, you'll want to log in using your credentials. Just click on the Login button and enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your login details, take this opportunity to retrieve them through the provided links on the login page. After you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel, and it's packed with all the tools you need to manage your website and online store. From here, we'll proceed to the Plugins TE section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Plugins in the left-hand menu. Plugins are essential for adding new features and functionalities to your WordPress site without any complex coding. Now, your next step is to add a new plugin. Look for the option that says Add Plugin and click it. This will take you to the WordPress plugin directory, an expansive library of plugins that can enhance various aspects of your website. In the search bar at the top right corner of the page, type in Measurement Price Calculator. This plugin allows your customers to calculate prices based on custom measurements, which is particularly useful for products sold by unit area or volume. Once you've located the Measurement Price Calculator plugin in the search results, go ahead and click on Install. The installation process is quick, but make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any hitches. After it's installed, the next crucial step is to activate the plugin. Hit the Activate button, and the plugin will become part of your WordPress dashboard, ready to use. With the Measurement Price Calculator now installed and active, go ahead and configure the settings according to your specific requirements. Each product might have different rules, depending on how you sell your items. This flexibility is exactly what makes using a measurement price calculator so advantageous. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to add a measurement price calculator to your Woocommerce product in just a few minutes. With the plugin now part of your e-commerce setup, you're well on your way to offering a more dynamic and customer-friendly shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on enhancing your online business.